Fog machines roll lasers, cut the air. Preacher in skinny jeans with perfect hair. Sermon shrunk to a meme on a screen. Crowd goes wild for the worship team. Golden calf on stage tonight. Flashing beams drown out the holy light. Worshiptainment steals the throne, but God is holy, and He will not be cloned. Drama skits replace the psalm singing. Marketing plan says keep their ears ringing. Coffee shop in the entryway. It feels really good, but what did the preacher even say? Where's the word, the bread, the wine? Where's the reverence, the holy design? Flashing thunder, smoke and show, but Christ is only found where the scriptures flow. Still stands, a hope not made by hands. They changed the show to swell the crowd. They please lost seekers with what's not allowed. But gimmicks won't change hearts, stubborn and proud. The Spirit plants the gospel where the law has plowed. No more idols in a thin disguise. We will worship in all the crucified. Golden calf on stage tonight. Flashing beams drown out the holy light. Worshiptainment steals the throne, but God is holy, and He will not be cloned.